up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a flag right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
The fight, but yo, go on. We have Ricky in the building, Lucian in the building, Bubba in the building, me in the building, Alfred and his way coming over here.
We have Ricky in the building. We're going to do the weigh-in, you know.
No, today we are going to do each other while we think which one we are best. Then, you know, we're going to have a little shuffle, like we're going to thump off in face. Tomorrow fight. I'm Ricky, I'm a coach. Tomorrow fight, Lucian will be singing the national anthem for us.
Yeah, Eternal Father bless our land.
I'm on something. And Bubba going to be the coach. Again, Ricky Mike. Referee. Famous going to be the referee.
Team Trabass.
Up him, coach at Jakes, but Lucian might be have taking spot for today. Because Jakes can't make it. We are going to still call Jakes for FaceTime. And thing, nobody has a record. The G's them, Black World, open the red.
Alright! You know that name? Talk at them. Talk at them. Right now, my G's in again. The atmosphere in there is very hectic. The atmosphere is thick because don't know it's here. Lucian, who we got? Here. Alfred.
Yeah, so if you put on a few more, maybe we'll put on my pullover then.
Yeah.
Trabass now, you know.
Are you coach him right now?
Right now. That's me I say.
Yeah.
I don't know. Based on how the training are going so far. Stands and everything. Compose yourself. You know, so I gotta take more than a heavyweight. You gotta take a Jesus to beat my player. Right. All who know adult me, I gotta wait.
Boy, if you don't.
If you feel like you're getting a temper, you have to stop because we all friends and family.
What I don't do this. Me teach them off Black World. Hey, one by one, go on the stairs and you know, my eyes is up, you know. I'll see you later.
So right now there's so much attention in the air. They don't even say hello.
It's not attention you want to say.
Pull it back. Nothing said on to Lucian, just stop.
Yo.
Man, you
Yo, they eat. Feel that, Brother.
Yo, hold him down, hold him.
Brother, sit down over here.
Yo, hold him down.
Nah, sit down, tell him sit down.
Alright,
Trabass, sit down, brother. So Black World, some G's them right now. It is the big anticipated fight between Champion Tech and Trabass. And right now, we are at the official weigh-in for both competitors. Right now, we are going to bring two now. From Champion Tech, we have Alfred in the building. Ladies and gentlemen.
Them boy they can't do nothing.
Stepping in.
Some boy have a fire. Them boy they can't do nothing.
On the scale, sir. Head up, look up. Alright, step off for me. And we have Alfred weighing it at 137. You know what I mean? 137, alright. Now, we bring to you Trabass stepping in right now.
Roll up in your place, stop by your gate because it's simple. This man know you lie down flat. With them man you buy gun for. Take them gun now. Girl off in me style she into. Observe faces, strangers, even those who roll with me. Me have my weed I roll.
Listen, step up for me. Head up, look up. Alright, step back for me, sir. Now we have Trabass weighing in at 182. So the weight class is actually fair. Sir, listen to me. My rules are very simple. Clean fight. A nice and respectable fight. Right? No cheap shot. No cheap shot, no low blow.
So you want to lick me, dog?
We have the two of them right as well. Yo, wait, hold on. Listen.
Yo, I'll lose anyway.
My youth, why do you not listen?
Yes, you sing for me?
Step back to your respectable, sir. Yeah, I'm coach. Control him for me, please.
No, he's gonna get beat up. Come, sir. Come.
Control him for me, please. Control your people for me, please. Control the fighter for me, please. Right now, we are here. The winning is actually getting hectic right now. Coach, can you keep your respectable fighters to the corner?
I got you, sir. I got you.
Good man.
Hey, get your little boy guy.
Listen. Yo, hear me I say now? Dog, hold your fight and go for this.
What are you trying to do?
Listen, I want a clean and fair fight come tomorrow, guys. That's all me I asking for. A clean and fair fight come tomorrow. Champion Tech, Andrew Trabass, come tomorrow. What do you think about this fight, really and truly?
Really, that fight, you know, something I'm supposed to be worried about. Because him don't know him and get knocked out at least. Yeah, at least I would probably. You don't know. A baby that.
So, Mr. Champion, take over here. What do you say about this fight? What's your thoughts on the fight?
Talking too much shit.
Boy, if you don't.
Qualified or something, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, straight.
Yeah.
I just feel like you turning coach, you know, you give too much.
Respectable corner for me, sir.
I be on my corner.
Nobody worry about this. See, my guy's ready right now.
See this man fight for over years, I don't know. Would I make him get a preview? You know?
Yo, knock him out real quick. One time.
Would I make him get a preview?
A preview.
No way I do, yeah.
No, that's
No way I do. Talk to
fear
me now.
gimmicks are going around a lot.
Come over like.
So black girl right about now.
No, that's not how you do it.
Yeah, the fight scarred. Yo, Ricky, thump up my
I
face.
didn't? When?
Thump up my face
Oh
and
my
broke my
God,
ribs.
why would you say
Look
that?
here. Ribs broke.
I never did such a thing.
This one, yeah. You thump up my ribs, dog. Oh, yeah. I hear that still.
Belly, I hurt me, dog. No, I told me I want busting with it.
Yeah, my
That's 6. Oh.
Alright, so right now, this is the way in vlog. We're gonna get right now. Blessings and respect for everybody who forward in and watch the vlog. Yeah, I say uppity with no pity. Remember, like, subscribe, and all them something. Good, big up yourself.
So right now, I'm there. As you can see me in my room. And normally when I get a video like this, or a look like this, I edit from a computer. I'm still sick, but you don't know. The work of going, the work of put on. Throughout the whole vlog, everything on the see me I do. And if you see me energized and all of them something, fight, me still a fight the fight, cause I'm sick. I just want to say, yo, the fight's up, me had fun. And we excited for it. Trabass excited for it. Alfred excited for it. Me know one excited for it. So, we are officially one vlog away from the fight. The next time, when you see me post, the next time when you see Trabass post, it's going to be the fight. So they not for wait no more, nothing more. When they not get nothing more before the fight. So the next video when you see post, only now for ask, it's gonna be the fight. I hope you enjoy it. Today was a nice fun day. Me upload 2 vlogs today. Me upload a vlog this morning. You know what I mean? So who wanna watch that, go and go watch that. Now me upload the next vlog for the day. Enjoy on a Sunday. Have a blessed Sunday. Or whatever day you wanna watch this. Just big up on yourself, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect. Again, blessings for the likes. Come soon I like up a video them. Blessings for the comment. Come soon I comment on the video them. Right now, what I want to do, the last thing I got to know for the right now on the video is go to the comment section and write Team Alfred or Team Trabass. Only think I go win the fight. That's the last thing you're not going to hear from me right now. Only think I go win the fight. Team Alfred or Team Trabass. Comment it below. Big up me Jesus.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now, so big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just a be myself and flow mode that